The Pasig City government has officially opened its newly renovated city library, now featuring modern spaces designed for reading, studying, and digital learning. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayao gives us a look inside the updated facility.
Rows of thousands of books, a wide and well-lit space. For book lovers, this really feels like heaven. This is the 5-story of Pasig Knowledge Center that recently opened to encourage young Filipinos to reading more.
Ma-cultivate ang kanilang hilig sa pagbabasa sa pamamagitan po ng pagbibigay ng access ng mga libro. Physical man o digital na at saka espasyo po na kung saan yung meron silang mapayapang side na nakakonsentrate po sila.
And if you think it's just a library, well, think again, because this space also has different designated areas for focus study zone, computer and digital areas, children's film room, and al fresco. So it's no surprise that many of those coming here say they approve.
Since I'm about to take din po kasi this incoming board exam. Kung magko-coffee shop is masyado pang costly. So, buti na lang talaga tsumempo din na nakita ko siya sa FB na yun nga open na to. So, nagpunta na ako. Kaalamig niyo po, sobrang comfy po mag-aral. Katahimik din po and mababait din po yung mga staff. Tapos sobrang organized
It's a
sila.
really big help, no? Na matulungan yung mga estudyante natin na makapag-aral. And ito yung ebidensya na kapag bumoto tayo ng tama is mararanasan talaga natin yung good governance.
The library is open not just for Pasig residents, but even for those coming from other cities.
So sa panahon ngayong talamak po yung mga fake news, ang ating library, ang impormasyon dito ay libre, validated para sa lahat at inaanyayahan po namin na bumisita dito sa ating library po.
The library is open Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m.